So hey friends, guess what? I thought I was supposed to start my new job this weekend, but it turns out I don't actually start till next weekend. I just got an email yesterday and I was like, oh good, I get to go camping again. So it's supposed to be really nice this weekend. The high tomorrow is supposed to be 72 and Sunday I think it's supposed to be 68. It's a little bit windy today and the high is only 58 today, but I've got a hoodie and I'm not afraid to use it. So thought I'd take you along. This is a campground I have never camped out before. My friend Dan has camped out here several times though, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. So I'm actually meeting Vicky out here, so we're looking forward to it. Maybe we'll do some bike riding and stuff. So I thought I'd take you along and show you DeCordova Park on Lake Granbury in Texas. I know I came out here once to check it out, but I didn't stay. Yeah, this isn't bad. This could work. Indeed. Huh. Vicky must be feeding the ducks. There's ducks everywhere. These are our weekend campmates. I love the one with the fluffy hairdo. What are y'all trying to do? Why are you eating my van? Y'all are gonna climb right on in, are you? Fun stuff. We're just gonna hang right there, huh? Alrighty then. So Vicky noticed that one duck has fishing line around his leg. So we're gonna try and catch him and get it off. Come back, duckies.
Okay, we gotta get the one separate. Get this one right here. Go away, man. You're me. I don't like you. Not you. Get him. Oh, shoot. So close. I need him over here. I need the right one over here. If we were only working with one duck, it would help. You guys go on for a minute. Here we go. Here we go. I don't know how we're going to get the one by himself. Oh, sorry. Yeah, do that.
Yeah, that's the problem. Betty, we're just trying to help.
I know you're scared. I'm sorry.
That sucks. Well, maybe when the officer drives through later, we can ask him to help.
1 foot ahead of him.
So we didn't have any luck catching the duck, but it turned out okay in the end. It was pretty funny though. So the duck started waddling over to this guy that had parked next to us. He had pulled up. He had this 1940 car. It was beautiful. It was all restored and everything. So he had just pulled up. He was wiping it down, making it pretty. And the duck started waddling over there. So Vicky went after him. And she was like, yeah, he's got a fishing line around his leg. The guy jumped into action. Well, let me try to help you catch him. I'll help you get it off. But of course, we couldn't catch the duck. So in all the struggle and all the running around with the duck that we did, somehow the string ended up getting pulled off the duck's foot and all was well. So the ducks waddled on down to the lake and went on their merry little way. So I bet we'll see him again tomorrow and we can make sure his little leg's okay. But I just thought that was kind of funny. Anyway, we are just hanging out in our vans right now. It's getting late. I'll probably go to bed soon. And hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. It was kind of cold and windy out there this afternoon, so we just hung out, cooked some hot dogs on the grill, and yep, that's about what's happening here. See you in the morning. Well, little breezy, little damp this morning, but it's supposed to warm up nicely today. Just kind of chilling out. Vicky's making coffee. There's a cat. Just viewing the wildlife. Well, it's about 9:30 now, and the sun is coming out. Indeed. Yay. It's going to be a lovely day. What do you think of all that, Roo? They're loud, aren't they? Yeah, you like camping by the lake. Something different. This cat knew his car when it pulled up. They both, oh, look at them. We're not going to bother you. That's funny.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
They're pretty.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Wow.
So what's the chances of